Hi, we're back from camping, and right now I'll be sharing to you my quick recipe. Soy sauce, sesame oil, yup, pepper, lemon with pepper seasoning, and then basil. Our spices. Then massage. Then just marinate it quickly. Then place it in the air fryer. Okay, so we're ready to plug them in the air fryer. Set to maximum temperature, then of course 30. Okay, this is not a rule, but our pork is already there in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. But of course, when you reach 30 minutes, you just have to lower the temperature maybe around 150 degrees Celsius. So we're ready to go. After 30 minutes, you have to insert the lemon and squeeze it, then get it back inside the air fryer.